All right. I know we just looked at Radeon 7s, but Dynex is now supported on these with SRB. So I'm going to fire this bad boy up, and let's go see what she'll do. All right, at this point, you guys know the deal. This is the entire hash rate list for the Radeon 7. This is a Hynix card, similar for Samsung. You're just going to need higher core voltage and probably lower memory clock for some of these. But if all you're after is the hash rates, there you go. The rest of the video is just going to be stitched together from the live stream. The power has to be so wrong. If that's not incorrect, these are like the most efficient GPUs in the entire world on Dynex. Okay. I really want to try the mem tweak. We're trying that after I go look at the power meter. Let's give this a minute just to like stabilize. Just thanking Yeti real quick. Oh, yeah, that looks more like the power consumption I'm expecting here. Still really all over the place, though. Holy crap. Still, look at that, though. Almost 7 kilohash a piece. Holy God. Wow. So it's hopping back and forth between 1130 and 961. That's 120 watts a card. It's a 170 watt jump. That is 125.25 watts per card. Oh, 191 a card. That is now a lot of power. 8.3. Holy fucking Christ. Divided by 8. 176 a card? That's strangely good. I feel like they got more efficient. Okay. These were definitely drawing like 180 something watts, or 190 even? 8.3. Oh boy. That Samsung card is about to crash. It looks like 8 kilohash. I love that little boot sequence, don't you? The Radeon 7s look so cool. 8.5. Friggin' ridiculous. It's like 1849 and 1650. So yeah, this is really super duper not worth the wattage to crank it up all the way, but it's impressive performance for sure. Alright, let's try 1800. I don't even think these are supposed to clock that high, but we'll see if they take. Why not? I'm a simple man. 8.6 kilohash. Dude, these things just refuse to quit. 8.640 kilohash. That's friggin' ridiculous. Hold on, gotta look at the power meter. Down. It says 1510, like at peak now. That's 188 a card. Well, I probably am not gonna push them any harder anyway, so. Alrighty, thanks for chilling, homies. Thanks for stopping by. Bet your kitties. Bye, friends.